Thank you.
Oh, this is such a great story about how Ariel became a human. But that Ursula, oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me a voice, she says. Oh, she's silent. Wait, let me start at the middle. What no? What am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it is.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now.
The fluke is the duke of soul. You can play the leaves on the street, the drop rocking out the blackfish. You see the spin and the strike, they know where it's at, and know that love is under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore there was a boy, out in the sun is there.
We sent her to the right place. Yes, Ursula will help her. Poor Ariel. She swam astray. Said something about being a
And you'll find it nowadays. My friends don't always repentance in the night and made a switch to yes. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. It's my Lord, I dinner that one wants to get the girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad.
You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. I bring good news. Your clamshell will begin moving immediately.
Repentance in the light and made us switch truths. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one won't have to be lost.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this.
He stopped again, sharp.
I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now.
Yeah.
So bad either. That's my favorite kind of story. Right?
It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time. Step out to your left now.
You ready?